The charge flowing through a resistance R varies with the time t as Q is equal to AT minus BT square, where A and B are positive constants. The total heat produced in R, that is the resistance R, is. What is the total heat produced in R when Q is equal to AT minus BT square, where A and B are both are positive constants. Okay. Now, here we know that the charge, that is a Q, they are given as Q is equal to AT minus BT square. And this charge we can define in terms of current. That is, I is equal to, that is a charge with respect to time. We can differentiate the Q dQ with respect to dt. Then we will get, if I want to differentiate this AT minus BT square with respect to t is, that is A minus 2BT. Then we know that at a time t is equal to 0, then Q will also become 0, and therefore we can say then I is also equals to 0. Then also we know that then I is equal to 0 when at t is equal to A by 2B. By this time also then I is equal to 0. Then the total heat produced in the resistance R. The total heat produced in the resistance R, we can write it as H. Total heat produced, that is H, is equal to integration with respect to 0 to A divided by 2B. Then we can write this one as I square R dt. I square R into dt. Then if I'm going to differentiate this one with respect to R, then we get R is the constant. Integration with the limits of 0 to A by 2B. Then we get A minus 2 times TB whole square dt. Then we know that, or we can further simplify this one as R integration with the limits of 0 to A by 2B. Then we can differentiate this one. We will get A square plus 4B 4 B square D B square T square minus 4A BT into dt. Then we can write this one as R into A square into T, A square into T plus 4B square into T cube divided by 3 minus 4AB into T square divided by 2. Then with the limits A to 2B, then we can write, apply the limits, then we can write R times A square into A divided by 2B plus 4B square divided by 3 into A cube divided by 8B cube minus 4AB divided by 2 into A square divided by 4B square. Then further simplified, we will get A cube R divided by B into 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 2. Then we can write this one as A cube into R divided by total, we'll get the LCM, that is equal to 6B. So this is the final answer. This we can see in the option A cube R divided by 6B. The option A, that is option A, is our right answer.